Okay, purchase trash bin. Lagyan din natin ng amount. So for example, ang trash bins, yung mga gandang klase, heavy duty, 2,000 pesos. So kung bibili tayo 5 kunwari, 10,000. So trash bins procurement, purchase of trash bins, then maintain the cleanliness of the surrounding. Alright, so I think we're done with the environment. Sa sa climate change adaptation, siguro magkakandak tayo ng, kunwari magkakandak ng seminar regarding sa climate change, 5,000. Then, try natin itong purchase seedlings for tree planting activities. So, pagpalagay natin, bibili tayo ng seedlings na worth 5,000 lang din. So, nababawasan na yung pera natin. No? So, purchase seedlings for tree planting, number of tree planted. Tapos, ang PPA nito ay tree planting activities. Then, description, seedlings, purchases, and tree planting activities, January 1 to December 31. SK official, so youth development concern. So, paano ba? Ano bang isipin natin? Kapag purchase ng tree plant, kapag seedling, tree planting. So, decreasing number of trees in the barangay. Okay? So, yun ang concern, no? Palit na yung number ng trees sa barangay. So, that is why magkakaroon tayo ng tree planting activity na bibili tayo ng seedlings. Okay? So, okay na to. Huwag na yan. Diba, supplies. So, depende sa pag-usap nyo sa session ninyo kung ano yung mga proyekto natin. So, sa disaster risk reduction naman, so ito yung pang-calamity. Pwede tayong magpakandak ng training. Gastos tayo ng 10,000 kunwari. That is a training seminar about disaster risk. So, yung number of conducted trainings yan. PPA seminars and trainings about disaster risk reduction program. So, about disaster risk reduction. Lagyan natin management. So, training related to disaster risk. Increase awareness regarding disaster risk. So, yan ang concern natin. So, halimbawa, disaster risk to, no? So, minsan, nagdo-donate tayo dyan ng grocery package, either sa sa donation or sa supplies, may lagay. Ay, yung supplies, pwede yung preparedness supplies, yung mga bota, yung mga raincoat, pwede dyan. Ito, donated grocery package. So, dito na lang tayo, worth 10,000. So, kapag during calamity, pwede tayo mag-donate ng grocery packages. So, grocery packages in the event of disaster. Distribution of grocery, so shortage of foods and basic needs during calamity. Kaya, so other supplies, kunwari purchase supplies for calamity. Purchase supplies for the preparedness. Ano ba? Calamity preparedness. For the calamity preparedness. Okay. So worth 10,000 supplies. So actual amount of expense, ang measurement. Preparedness supplies for calamity, purchase of preparedness supplies, then shortage of food, so hindi nito. So ito ay concern the necessity. Dito lang. Ano ba ito? The necessity to purchase preparedness supplies. Okay. Preparedness, calamity preparedness. Listen to purchase calamity supplies. Okay, para maging ready tayo no, during calamity, ano ba yung pwede natin bilhin for the preparedness? Okay, so Next, employment, youth employment and livelihood. So, kung ano, papakonduct tayo ng mga livelihood trainings. This is worth 10,000. Seminars, so may nilagay na ako dito. Ano? I-check mo na lang to. Ipapadala ko naman tong trial version na to. Sa supplies, okay na to. Kunwari, training lang. Kaya livelihood. Kunwari, other machinery equipment, purchase of machineries related livelihood program. Kunwari, mga machine, pang sewing machine. For example lang, no? 25,000, bibili tayo. Purchase of sewing machine. Okay. So, specific na, dahil alam, identify na natin to. Purchase of sewing machines related to livelihood programs. Okay. So, halimbawa, number of beneficiaries na makaka-receive ng machines. Sewing machines. So, PPA, free sewing machines for livelihood. Purchase of machineries. So, specific na natin ito, purchase of sewing machine. So, ito ay youth development concern. So, regarding livelihood, increase. Pwede rin increase, pero positive, o kaya negative. So, depende kayo kung ano yung concern natin. So, concern natin dito is a positive way, increase the income. Increase the income of the youth by increase the income of the youth by giving them livelihood programs and equipment. Okay, so nag-adjust naman yung system kung gaano karami. So depende, no? Sa akin kasi mabilisan na yung pag-iisip ko dito. So since na ito ay sinesession nyo naman, pinag-uusapan sa session, mapapaganda pa niyo yung mga wordings natin. In terms of health and anti-drug abuse, so usually training to, capacitated, so sige 10,000. Tapos ito ay PPA, seminars, training about health and anti-drugs. Drug abuse. Payment training. Sige. Tapos ito ay increase awareness regarding health and anti-drug abuse. Ano yan? Pwede rin dito sa drugs and medicine, no? Pwede ka makishare, kunwari worth 10,000. Purchase drugs and medicine, actual expense. Drugs and medicine purchase for barangay health center. Makikishare tayo. Description, parehas lang din. Share drugs and expenses for barangay. Kayo concern. Pwede dito, ba? Increase na lang. Increase drugs and medicine supplies. Supplies in barangay health center. Okay. So meron pang pwede pang mental, dental laboratory, other supplies. Ito feeding program na dito. So kaya yung mga hygiene, IT kits. So ito ay since marami namang other supplies, material 1, pwede siya dito kung dati feeding program. Isa lang. Okay. Tapos dito naman sa pang number 2, yung purchase of hygienes for the youth. pinag-iwalay na natin since may available naman tayong slot para sa account na yon. So ngayon ay zero na, hindi ko na ito na, lalagyan. Sample lang. Tapos gender sensitivity. Ito, lagay natin yung barangay day events, no, related to you. I'm not sure kung saan nilalagay itong barangay day event. Marami kang gastos to eh. So for example, na nakikishare tayo sa barangay day, may street dancing, yung mga singing contest, o kaya mga binibining Mr. and Miss Youth, gano'n, no? During barangay day. So pwede nating ilagay dito or saan, kung saan man, no? Sa tingin ko, pwede ito sa gender sensitivity. So, lagay natin kunwari dito, facilitate barangay day events related to youth. So, malaki to, pang fiesta, no? Barangay day, 100,000. Facilitated barangay day events related to youth. So, ano usually, kunwari ay street dancing competition. Actual express made, ito ay street dancing competition during barangay day. So, barangay day activity expenses. Kunwari kung kailan yung piyesta nyo, yung isang linggo, 2 linggo pa preparation. So, youth development, gender, ano ba ang kapag gender ba? Teka lang, tingnan ko lang yung gender. Kapag gender ay, ano ba ang agenda statement, no? Social inclusion. So, ba nalalagay yun? Sagit lang, ha? Buksan ko lang ito, print all, okay. Makikita mo sa resolution ng ABYIP kung saan bumabato yung empowerment program. Kapag daw gender sensitivity sa social inclusion, ayun. So punta natin itong social inclusion. Social inclusion, yan. So for the youth to participate in a, oops, mali pa yung wordings natin. In a peaceful and just society that affords them with equal and equitable opportunity, social security and protection of all aspects of development, regardless of their gender, disability, specifically political beliefs, ethnicity, religion, and social economic status. So, pwede ba natin ipasok siya? Actually, parang God to eh. No? Aha. Kapag palagay natin, pwede. No? Pero kapag hindi naman pwede sa inyo, hanap tayo kung saan natin ilalagay. So, ano concern natin dito? Malawak kasi itong God eh. So, sige, hanap na lang tayo. Kunwari lang to, no? Pagandahin na lang yung concern natin. Tingnan ko ngayon. Uli. Participate in peaceful and just society. Opportunity. So, sige. You do na lang. So, participation na lang. Participation of you during barangay day. Sa tingin ko, okay na yan. Ayun ang concern natin para makaparticipate yung youth. So, supplies, 1, 2. So, kung meron ka pa yung marami dyan, okay lang. Sports development, ito na. So, pwede siyang repair and maintenance na property equipment. Ikaw newly painted basketball court. Gusto natin papinturahan. So, sige, lagyan natin 10,000. Floor painting, okay, repair and maintenance. Then, yung mismong other supplies and materials ko na nalagay ito. Conducted sport fest basketball. Yung kabila naman, volleyball. Pag iwaywalay nyo kung gusto nyo, okay, isang sport fest lang. In our case, for example lang is basketball. Dito na lang ako maglalaro. So, lang tayo na 500,000. Mga libreng uniforms, for example. So sports development, ang PPA nito ay basketball league for the youth. So budget for sport fest, budget for basketball league. Promote health development through engaging in sports activities. So okay na to. So kung meron ka pang marami pang related sa sports, so meron tayong mga other vacant dito. No? So in our case, 500,000, okay na yan. So we still have 62,000 pesos to appropriate. Capability building, to malaki rin pa na to. So buhos na natin 60,000. Kalimitan training, mga Bineo, no? O kaya sa mga iba-iba training na mga SK. Malaki na yan. So dapat malaki yan. Bawasan natin itong ano. Gawin natin 400,000. So gawin natin itong 100,000 din. So training, capability, increase leadership skills. Okay. So okay na yun. Sa agriculture naman, so may natitira pa tayong 62. So purchase supplies for vegetable farming. So pwede na ito. 10,000. So ito ay vegetable farming program. Payment for supplies related to vegetable farming. Sige. So increase uh, vegetable plantation area for the barangay. So, makakatulong ba sa youth yun? Sige, pagbalagay natin ang mga concern to youth. Kasi pang general to. So, kung meron ka pa naisip na mas maganda dyan, you do it, no? You try to chase it. So, 52,000, balik na natin dito sa ano. Gawin natin 42,000 yung sa basketball. So now, we have already done no, yung budget natin. So that's it. So, we shrink it. Ayan na yan. Kapag pinrint natin yan, ang mangyayari, lalabas lang yung may mga amount. Okay. Yan, equitable access, environmental protection, climate change adaptation, youth, okay, health and nutrition, gender sensitivity. Sino magbas lang, siyang lalabas. Then all you need to do is sign it, yung mga pangalan nyo lalabas na dyan automatically. Then automatically rin, okay na tayo sa plantilla, home ko lang ulit. Okay lang tayo sa plantilla, sa PPMP, ito medyo makabahaba to, no? So kung ano man yung binudget natin na amount para doon sa gender and general administration, so for example, ang total nun ay 36,000. So magkano ba yun natin? Parang 20,000 lang yata. So 20,000. So babaguhin na natin to. So may sample na ako. Ang bond paper, kunwari ay long 225. Pagpalagay natin pag 20 reams lang. To 20 reams. Total to 10. Okay, so ang total na 21,000. Yun. Eh, meron pang contingency yan eh. So, palagay natin 15 na lang to. 20,000. Pwede na yan. So sa gender yon, eh yung pang youth development power program, equitable access. Eh di ba sabi natin, bibili yata tayo ng mga supply sa ALS, scholarship, ito, supplies, so 10,000. Tribute, so dito na lang, 10,000. So PPMP, so kunwari ay, ito ay school supplies. So magkano yung worth niya? O kaya mga notebooks, isa-isa kung sakasakali. Notebooks, ball pens. So magkano ang presyo ng notebook? Kunwari 25 lang yan. Ball pen, kunwari by box, 100. Kunwari lang po ito, no? So quantity niyan, para lang mabilisan tayo, kunwari mga 2,000 pieces. O dami. 1,000. So magkano lang ba yun? 10,000. So, 500, 400. Ayun, 10,000. So, 300, 75. Ito, kunwari, ang ballpen in box, kunwari, 100 boxes na tagbong 100 pesos. So, sobra. 210, 220. Ayun, 7,500 plus 2,000, 25. So, makikita natin, ito ay worth 10,000 na. So, okay na tayo dyan. Then, the rest, ganun yan. So, ganun yung intention natin, no? So, buburin ko rin yung mga example ko lang dito. Kunwari yun lang po. Sa education lang yung bibili natin supplies. Yun na kunwari, no? Pero if you have some supplies under the different programs, you might try to input what supplies are you trying to, will you purchase on the budget year. Okay. So since na doon sa education na kunwari, no, sishrink na natin. So under this one, makikita nyo, so ito yung pang general, ito yung pang equitable access to education, then yung everything else, environment protection, naka-blanco lang siya. So hindi tayo bumili ng supplies doon. Then automatically, ABYIP, wala tayong gagawin dito, kundi isi-shrink lang. So kung ano yung ginawa natin sa SCAB, pupunta na dito. Remember, doon sa print all, doon sa resolution natin ng ABYIP, kung ano binudget natin dito sa Equitable Access, that goes to the ABYIP to cost education. Yung binudget natin sa SK Annual Barangay Budget, yung Environment, Climate Change, Disaster Risk, papasok yan pang environment naman ng Center of Participation in terms ng ABYIP. So, ito yung pattern, no? May linkage siya. Sa atin, nagsisimula sa SCAB, then papunta doon. Pero ang totoo talaga, yung ABYIP talaga ang ginagawa una, then ilalagay yan doon sa pang-SCAB na, halimbawa, education, na plano natin. Then pupunta yan doon sa Equitable Access to Quality Education, sa Empowerment Program, na gawa tayo ng SCAB. So, same sa atin naman, ay pabaliktad. Since na automatic na itong ginagawa, itong ABYIP. ABYIP. Yan, ito. So, kita nyo? Control P. Yan na, no? So, nag-automatic na kung ano yung ginawa natin. Remember, meron tayong floor painting, basketball league, SK. Itong nandito sa taas, ano yan, kailangan lang yan ilagay sa investment program yung about honoraria. Okay. May guidelines kasi tayo na kasama dapat sa pagbuo ng Annual Barangay Youth Investment Program yung honoraria for SK nga. So, automatically nandiyan na sa taas siya. Pang-general lang yan. Pero hindi lahat ng pang-general business program ay pumapasok sa ABYIP. Tangi lamang itong PS. Okay. Then center participation. Ayan, ayan. Okay, okay, okay. Yun. Oops. Yeah. Okay. So, yung meron ditong global mobility, kung meron tayong budget regarding sa pang ano na to no? Pang international. Kuwari, meron kang atin na seminar sa ibang bansa. Pwede siyang global mobility. Mga sociality sa mga iba-ibang mga nations. Then yung CBYDP naman, automatically rin yan. So, shrink ko lang. Yan. Ang hindi automatic dito, yung green green part. So dito, about sa honoraria, so syempre, 7 plus 2 SK. Now, repair of regular maintenance sa basketball court. So magkano ang target natin dito? Yung actual expenses ang pinag-usapan. So therefore, ilalagay mo yung amount. So sa taong 2024 ay maglalaan ka ng 10,000 at plano mo rin tuloy-tuloy yan hanggang 2026. Okay. Promote health. So number of participation, join in the sport fest. So anong target mo dito? So kunwari lang 100 youths. 100 youths participants. 100 participants. Mga youths. So, same manner with the 2025 at 2024, 26. So, kakapin mo na lang yun. Ito hindi nagbaba. Ito po yung ano, kailangan nyo pilapan lang. Kasi depende yan sa performance indicator mo. Kunwari ito, increasing number of beneficiary in terms of scholarship. Kunwari na 20. 20 qualified youth. Okay, so the next year, ganoon din ang target mo. So ito naman, not all students are capable of joining by themselves. So ito one student naman. To boost more of teachers, maximum of 30,000. So maximum of 10,000. Ito ay actual amount kasi ang measurement mo. And then therefore, ang target mo is maximum of 10,000 based on the annual budget na 10,000. So automatic na yan. Gano'n. Ito lang po, no, ulit. Itong target lang ang babaguhin natin. Increase livelihood, so number of conducted trainings. So siguro dalawa, no? 2 trainings sa isang taon. Okay. Yung iba, hindi mo na po siya maki-edit. Ma-edit mo lang yan pagpunta mo doon sa SCAP. Ang ma-edit mo lang po itong target naman. Kung ano yung target nyo for the 3 years. Increase awareness regarding health and anti-drug abuse. So number of participants, so sabragin natin 50 youths. Ito at least 10 representatives, actual amount expenses. So maximum. Okay po na lang po. Sa inyo. Number of beneficiaries sa kanya. So, increase medicine, maximum of 10, kasi 10,000 yan. Ito wala pa. Actual expenses made. So, maximum din. Maximum of 100,000 as per your budget. Increase leadership, capacity training. So 11 to, so 8 plus 2, 11, 10 pala. 10 SK teachers. Sila yung mag-training. Clean up drive, area of canals, siguro ay Purok 1 to 3. Ayan siguro. So lahat ng purok sa barangay. Plus 2 subdivisions. Kunwari, lagyan na natin. Ayan ang component ng ano. Purchase, supplies, clean drive. So actual amount expense. So maximum of 5,000. Then seminars, trainings, number of conducted trainings. So 2 trainings na lang ito. At least 10 representative number of trees planted sa Marita. So this is number of trees planted. Kunwari 100 seedlings. Kunti lang ito. Sige na. Okay. Number of conducted trainings. So 2 trainings kunwari. Donated grocery package in the event of disaster. So number of beneficiaries kunwari is 50 households. Purchase supplies for climate actual amount expense. So max of 10,000. Okay. Ito naman globability, wala naman yan. Agriculture, actual amount expense. So max of 10,000. Okay. Ayun. So that's it. Complete natin. Wala na mga blanco. Napila pa na natin lahat. Itong annual budget naman, PASPOY capital outlay, automatic naman yan. Pati itong mga youth development concern, desired objective, performance, tanggaling ito sa budget. Okay. Dito sa CB, Yung development plan, makikita mo may center participation saka may agenda statement sa bawat center participation, mayroong agenda statement. Okay? So remember, kapag may show all, you should before you print it, you try to click the shrink, no? Para yung ano lang, yung certain items lang na merong amount ang papasok. Then that's it, no? We have already done our budget. So all you need to do is print all. Lalabas yung lahat ng sheets. So una yung endorsement. So this is the type. Yan, endorsement. Then yung certification na galing sa barangay. Yung agenda, notice of meeting, yung ito ay pag inassume natin na pangalawang meeting na, ngayong taong na to, 2024, no? Since na-late na tayo sa paggawa ng budget. So second Sangguniang Kabataan meeting, na kung saan ay held yon January 20, yung base sa nilagay nating date. Then 6 p.m., 6 p.m. Default na yan. Then anong agenda no? Yung finalization ng finalization of mandated youth plan, yung ABYIP. Sa finalization ng SK budget for the fiscal year 2024, including the SK official on guard. Signed by the SK chairperson, copy furnished. Then yung minutes ng meeting, no? SK official, so pwede siyang lagyan ng remark kung absent. Kung lahat ng present, okay lang. Then we have the call to order. So automatic na yung naglalagay ng pangalan dyan kung sino yung presiding officer. Usually the SK chairperson. Roll call ng attendance. Privilege R, wala. Question R, wala. First reading, wala naman. And the business of the day ay yung motion to pass the resolution. No? Yeah. Resolution ng ABYIP sa resolution ng SK. Then we have the adjournment. Yung mga pangapangalan niya, nagbabago-bago, depende dun sa home na ginawa natin. Okay, sign. Then this is the resolution na pertaining to the SCAB. Ito yung nilagay natin, no? Number 2, series of 2024 for the SK annual budget. Then ito naman yung binudget natin, shrink. Tingnan natin yung itsura ng printing, yan. Then sign lang. Then plantilla, control P. So yung current year, budget year, then kung may nag-increase or decrease, so sign by. Then we have the PPMP, the Project Procurement Management Plan. We have the RESO for the ABYIP. Yan. So may mga wordings na yan. Mag-a-adapt yan, depende sa barangay nila. Then ABYIP, shrink before you print. Then we'll get this one. Okay. Then yung CBYDP lastly, print it lang. Okay. So yun, no? Napaka-bilis. So home. Ito na pinilapin natin yung home, yung SCA, plantilla, PPMP, saka yung CBYDP. Yan lang yung konti pinilapan natin. So you have already the finished SK annual budget documents. Okay. So fill in PPMP, check print all, then print all sets in a long bond paper. So lastly, yung error handling. Sometimes baka may error ka, hindi mo napatay mabuti yung system, o kaya nag-shutdown, at pagbukas mo, magugulat ka, may makita ang ganyan, no? Error. So kapag ganyan daw gawin mo, click yes, then click close. Ito yung pang-beta naman, no? Dito nag-error minsan pero dito sa SK budget wala no. Kasi maliit na yung program ito. Then we are about to repair. Kapag pipindutin mo itong repair button, pero ang dito sa atin, nasa login. Pag login mo, makikita mo dito sa kanan, may repair doon. So click mo lang yon, tapos lalabas itong system record. On SKBPS, you can see this on login sheet on upper right corner na dito. Then just click yes. Then click OK. Then click yes. Then restart ng system. Click OK. Then, nakakita ka ganito kung meron man. Wala, bisan lumalabas yan. End mo lang yan. Then, you're good to go. Reopen mo na. Ang susunod na step is you reopen the SKBPS kung saan siya nakasave. So, antay lang natin, nag-auto-save lang siya. So, that's all, folks. So, kung kaya mo itong sundan, okay, at gusto mo ng full version, so, ayos. Eh nga, then reopen the file. That's the last one. Okay, then home. So, that's it, no? Madali lang siya, guys. Ilang oras ba to? Wala, isang oras yung tutorial natin. Step by step. Wala, pati yung logo, pati yung edit. So, kaya mo sundan. Then, again, please free to contact us for the full version. We will send yung code, registration key. Then, after you have received this one, ilalagay mo dyan. Ilalagay mo dyan yung kung ano ba sinad namin. Okay? So, mag-a-adapt na yan. Pwede na siyang gamitin, ipiprint na. So ngayon, kapag trial version ka pala, for example, binura ko yung key. So pwede ka naman mag-print all. Kaya lang problema, naka-trial version siya. Pag pinrint mo yan, trial version, saka hindi mo mababago yung logo. Kasi hindi ka wala kang access dito sa edit all. No? Please upgrade to full version. Okay? Pero at least, makakapaggawa ka, magtutuloy-tuloy ka dito. Now, if you're decided na tapos na, okay na, nakita mo madali lang. Or if you're decided, just call us to give you your corresponding registration. So that's all, folks. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day. Bye.